Welcome back to Fix Your Apps, and today I will show you how to get Minecraft font in Roblox mobile using a simple method that anyone can follow. This video will explain each step clearly so you can install the font without any confusion. Now let's get started. Step 1. Take your phone, open your browser app and use the search bar to type the name Minecraft font TTD, then search it, because this will help you find the correct downloadable font file you need. Step 2. Check the search results and choose the one that matches the Minecraft font page. Then zoom in on the screen so you can clearly locate the download option at the top, tap on it and wait patiently for the download to finish. Step 3. Once the download completes, it will appear in your file manager, but the file will be in a zip format so you cannot use it yet, which is why you need to open the Play Store. Search for the app named Zarchiver, find it and install it on your device. Step 4. Open the Zarchiver app, go to your download section, select the zip file you downloaded earlier, tap on extract here and allow the app to convert and extract all the font files properly. Step 5. After that, go back to the Play Store again, type the name Z Font 3 in the search bar, find the correct app in the results and install it first so you can apply the extracted Minecraft font on your phone. Step 6. Open the Z Font 3 app. Once the installation is complete, go to the download section inside the app, tap the plus icon, choose the file option, then select the extracted font files, wait for a moment and allow the pop-up message to load because that means the font is ready, and that's it. You are done. Thank you for watching and please subscribe to Fix Your Apps for more helpful tutorials.